Machine Learning with Microsoft Online. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Career Forge Club, where we unlock the secrets of the digital world. Today, we've got something exciting for you, especially if you've ever been curious about the realm of machine learning. We're diving into the Microsoft Online free course. We are diving into the Microsoft Online free course, Machine Learning for Beginners. Now, before you think this is just another run-of-the-mill tutorial, hold on. Microsoft has curated something special for all the eager minds out there. Machine Learning, the backbone of artificial intelligence. Demystified for beginners. Let's see what awaits us in this digital adventure. First up, the course structure. It's designed with simplicity in mind, breaking down complex concepts into digestible bites. Whether you're a coding whiz or just dipping your toes, this course caters to everyone. And here's the game changer. Hands-on exercises and interactive quizzes. No more passive learning. Get ready to apply what you learn and see the magic of machine learning unfold before your eyes. Applications of machine learning. Image and speech recognition. Medical diagnosis. Statistical arbitrate. Learning associations. Classification. Prediction. Extraction. Regression. Now, let's talk real-world applications. Machine learning is not just about algorithms. It's about solving problems. From predicting stock prices to enhancing medical diagnoses, the possibilities are endless.
Prompt engineering is not something which might be very difficult to pick up. It's very simple to understand, and you can pick it up very fast. And then AI strategy and consulting overall will be kind of a blanket term which you can use for all these things. And even when you talk about from big data technology perspective, I have seen a lot of work is happening at the AI ML layer of big data, where you're trying to build applications which is distributed across the clusters of big data that we talk about. But again, underlying part would be a sound understanding of the machine learning and deep learning algorithms, and back that up with the ML ops. So if you ask me, I would say focus on ML ops, go through generative AI and large language models for sure.
And guess what? We've got insights from professionals who've incorporated machine learning into their daily work. It was inspiring. Why Microsoft?
Because now we have Microsoft Educator Center. Trainings, courses, webinars, programs, badges, points, certificates. Join now and get yourself ready for the new school year. Teach your best.
You might wonder, why Microsoft? Well, beyond being a tech giant, they're committed to democratizing knowledge. The course is free, accessible, and backed by a community eager to help you succeed. Plus, the user interface is so intuitive. Even new learners can navigate it. Kudos to Microsoft for making tech education this user-friendly. So, are you ready to embark on this machine learning journey? I know I am. Hit the link in the description to enroll in Microsoft's Machine Learning for Beginners course. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, happy coding!